What is going on? James from Act Audio, and we just wrapped up this gorgeous 21 Roadglide. It's a nice bike, a lot going on with it. Guy had the Rockford Fosgate system from the dealer. Common story that we hear. He had the Rockford Fosgate system from the dealer, and he had enough of it. He wanted something better, so we went ahead and we upgraded him to ultimately our stage 2 with cut-ins. Or no, he already had cut-ins. We converted his 5x7s to 6x9s, and we actually did a video on how to do that. So you can check that out as well. I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you what we did. Check it out. All right, so you can see here he had the Harley Rockford Fosgate 5x7s. So we converted them to the Hertz SX69 Neos. We used the factory wires on this side. This side we could not because the amp was over there from the factory, which I don't understand why they do that. But we used the American hardback spacer with the Hertz speaker. Coming up here, we did the Diamond MP652s. Yes, this is upside down, but that's for ease of install. You don't see this because the grill goes over. It's got the horn and the woofer, so it's like 2 speakers in one. And coming around here, we have the Hertz SP 4.900 underneath the factory radio, mounted to a bracket. Goes through all of the factory holes, so we did not do any screwing or drilling onto the factory bike. Over here is the Hertz S8 DSP, mounted in place very securely, you can see. Out with the old and with the new, all on the factory radio. So let's turn this bad boy on and see how it sounds. Of course, this isn't going to sound the same on the video. So there you go, badass system on a badass bike. Customer just came and picked it up and he is more than happy. He said half volume on the system we just did was already louder than his full volume Rockford system that he had from the dealer, and he paid just as much money for it, just about. It also sounds way cleaner, way clearer. So he's very happy and he will be back. So any questions on it? We obviously deal with a lot of companies and other companies, but that is our go-to system that we use right now. So any questions, hit us up, ask down below, like and share, comment, whatever it is. Join our Facebook. We're gonna start doing some lives with some free giveaways if you're on Act Audio on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.